Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also, put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Nnamdi Kanu did not just start talking about Biafra self-determination. Our leader Nnamdi Kanu did not just start talking about Biafra just like that. Our leader himself once believed in one Nigeria. There was a time that our leader was fighting for one Nigeria. He joined a political party. As at that time, he participated in every political events and awareness, okay, to make sure that Nigeria become a better place. There was a time like that. And that is what I want to share with you. Because some people forget that Nnamdi Kanu did not just start talking about Biafra. He also was one of the supporters of one Nigeria. As at that time, Nnamdi Kanu believed in one Nigeria. He fought for one Nigeria. Even while he was in the UK, he did everything possible. He made sure he fight for one Nigeria as well. Because as at that time, he believed in one Nigeria. You know, he believed in one Nigeria. He joined others in the UK 2012, you know, to fight for one Nigeria, believing and thinking that things will be better. In fact, during these protests in London, our leader Nnamdi Kanu was saying that we in the UK, we are ready to support the government of Nigeria as at 2012 to solve the insurgencies and the killing of people that is happening, the insecurity issues that is happening in Nigeria. As at that time, 2012, this was Nnamdi Kanu in the UK fighting for one Nigeria, giving Nigeria advice, telling them that we are here to support you guys to make sure that we are able to combat these insecurity issues in Nigeria. I just want you to listen to our leader speaking in London, you know, during a protest, you know, in London for one Nigeria, as when he was fighting for one Nigeria. Please listen.
All over Nigeria, especially in the north of Nigeria, we are not happy. We are not pleased with what is happening, and that is why we are here today. As you can see, there are a lot of Nigerians who are protesting about the killing of families, people who are determined to tear the country apart violently, and it is not something that we support. It is not something that we would like to see continue, and we are here today to send a clear
Did you hear that?
to the Nigerian government.
Did you hear that? I'm going to repeat that. Nnamdi Kanu said there are people that are determined to tear the government apart, that we cannot support that. That we cannot support. We want to support the government to fight the insecurity issues. He said there are people that want to tear the government apart. That was 2012.
Killing of families, people who are determined to tear the country apart violently, and it is not something that we support. It is not something that we would like to see continue, and we are here today.
Kanu said there are people that are ready to tear the government apart. That is not what we support. That we don't support that. You understand me? So I want you to listen. That was a time that our leader was fighting for one Nigeria. Okay? That was the time that our leader was fighting for one Nigeria. He said that there are people that are ready to tear the government apart. You know, that is why they were killing families and everything. But we are not going to support that. I want you to listen. That people usually forget that there was a time that Nnamdi Kanu fought for one Nigeria. They forgot about it. So this is a pure reminder so that people will think very well that Nnamdi Kanu is not just a mere person. He's a savior. Nnamdi Kanu is our savior in this time in history, in our generation. Okay? Because there was a time he was like fighting for one Nigeria, saying he does not support anybody that wants to tear the government apart. that we in the UK, we are here to support the government of Nigeria to fight the insecurity issues. That was in 2012. Okay, so I just want you to listen to it again, please.
People who are determined to tear the country apart violently, and it is not something that we support. It is not something that we would like to see continue, and we are here today to send a clear message to the Nigerian government through the High Commissioner that what is happening in the country is unacceptable, and we cannot accept it. If that continues, it will lead to the violent situation of the country. There will be no more Nigeria for anyone to go to. There will be no Nigeria for anyone to refer to. In fact, what is happening in Somalia today will be like a tea party. So we cannot allow this nonsense to continue. Something has to be done. And the consequences of the actions of terrorism in Nigeria must be driven home to the people, so that even the terrorists themselves will be able to understand that there is no mandate to the government. The only thing they can accomplish is the breakup of Nigeria. If they think that they can power people, if they think they can force people to be coerced into a religion which is not theirs, then they are clearly mistaken. We are asking for peace. We are asking for people to get together. We are asking for everybody who loves Nigeria, who is associated with that country, to please prevail upon terrorism in Nigeria so we can bring it to an end. That is why the multitude of Nigerians are gathered here today. Those of us in the UK are determined to work with the government for peace. We are determined to work with the
government. Did you hear that? He said, those of us in the UK, we are determined to support the government. We are determined to work with the government in Nigeria for peace. You know, he said that again. Let me repeat it. He said, those of us in the UK, those of us Nigerians in the UK, as at that time it was Nigeria, he was fighting for Nigeria. He said, those of us in the UK, we are ready to support the government. He was even making reference. He said, look at Nigerians standing here on the street fighting, and that we want to bring an end to these insecurities. That those of us in the UK, we are ready to support the government of Nigeria to bring an end to the insecurity issues. So how come that some people are forgetting when Nnamdi Kanu was fighting for one Nigeria? We say, free Nnamdi Kanu now. That is our message. We are letting the Janjaweed government now to let them know that it is time for you to free Nnamdi Kanu now unconditionally, because he has not committed any crime. He has not done anything wrong. He has been fighting for one Nigeria before now in 2012, and now he is fighting for the freedom of his own people. He is looking for justice for his own people, since his own people who are Biafrans are no longer safe in one Nigeria. That is what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. He has not committed any crime. We have seen people like Shekumi, who has committed crime in Nigeria and he is still walking freely. Nobody has questioned him. People like Shekumi, who has made several statements about the Fulani bandits in Nigeria, nobody has arrested him. Nobody has questioned him. Nobody has done anything to him. Look at it. Look at Shekumi here in a statement. What is he talking about? He said, no school is safe until government negotiates with bandits. This says Kumi. This is somebody that is saying that the government should go and negotiate with bandits. Are you getting it? What is more crime than to call the government to go and negotiate with bandits? But our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is not calling on government to negotiate with the bandits. He's saying that he needs freedom for his own people. This man has not been called to question him. Look at it. He said, give bandits contract to guard forests, farmlands. Shekumi tells Nigerian government, which means if there's anybody in history that is talking like this in favor of the bandits, that means there is something that they know. But the Nigerian government have not done anything about that. They are coming after somebody who is asking for justice and peace for his own people. Can you now see what we are talking about? Nnamdi Kanu in 2012 was fighting for one Nigeria. Free Nnamdi Kanu now unconditionally, because he has not committed any crime. Our leader Nnamdi Kanu fought for one Nigeria. Up to today, there is no peace. So he's looking for freedom for his own people. Biafrans, Biafra nation. You know, self-determination is a right. It's not a crime anywhere in the world. He has not committed any crime. He's not a criminal. He's not a terrorist. He's a freedom fighter fighting for the right of his own people. Let us listen to it again. When Nnamdi Kanu was fighting for one Nigeria in the UK 2012, he referred to himself as at that time a Nigerian, you know, fighting to support the government to stop the insecurity issues. Listen to it again, please.
tribalism in Nigeria so we can bring it to an end. That is why a multitude of Nigerians are gathered here today. Those of us in the UK are determined to work with the government for peace. We are determined to work with the international community for peace. But one thing we cannot stomach is a repeat of 1966. What is happening today in Nigeria was the reason why Nigeria fought a bitter civil war for 3 years between 1967 and 1970. If this continues, there will be another civil war in Nigeria. And this time around, no place will be safe in Nigeria. This time around, nobody will be safe in Nigeria. So it is imperative that everybody who has the interest of the country at heart acts now and immediately to stop this nonsense from continuing.